Hey everyone.
Welcome back. We decided to just do an unboxing of a brand new series that just came out from Skullpanda. It's called You Found Me, to celebrate this spooky season up ahead. And so we are just gonna get started here. Definitely really like the design, the cover. I wasn't even sure if we were gonna get this at first, but I was like, well, what the heck, may as well. I'm gonna grab some scissors here. We're gonna just get the plastic off here.
We just finished opening these, you guys saw, depending on the order we put this in, the Skullpanda Paradox series, so we're gonna be sticking with the same Skullpanda theme.
I think we seem to really like these this series.
Some can be, some Skullpandas can be a little bit too goth for us, but these still look pretty cool.
I think so far the ones that we have selected, like the Les Impression Maze series and stuff like that, those ones have been pretty nice.
Yeah.
So, just gonna go ahead and put this.
And also the winter one where we pulled our secret.
Yes,
that was awesome.
That was
like, epic for the first time.
That one is still our favorite moment.
Oh yeah.
For sure. So, all right.
If you guys haven't seen it, watch that video.
Yes. All right. So, this is the cover of the box. And then this is the possible things that you can get here, so that you guys are aware. And then we always are on a quest for a secret. Oh, they taped this down here too. Actually, when I bought this actually came with something else too. It was like a little blanket. I thought that was pretty neat. So
it's a nice little gift.
It was a nice little gift for sure. All right, so we have 9 total. So we've got 9 to pull. And this is kind of a good way to celebrate my birthday week as well too, because I really like unboxing. I'm gonna choose
you gotta go
center.
for front,
gotta go for
middle.
This middle. All right.
Gotta do it.
All right. So this is Popmart official. As you can tell, there's like the little code here too. But yeah, let's get this started. Ooh, these are definitely different for sure. All right.
Different in a good way.
Yeah. Let's see here. All right. So we put this series wrapping. I always like the fact that they do this wrapping in like this marbly-esque kind of wrapping as well. All right. Manifesting something cool. Let's see. What is this? Ooh. This is a cute little fuzzy.
I think, is that Ghosty?
I think this is called Ghosty. This is so cute. So pretty. Oh my goodness. This is such a pretty thing, dude. Yeah. No, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh.
It's fuzzy.
It's fuzzy. Oh my gosh. Yes, I have definitely love the fuzziness of things, so. All right, your turn, Chris.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
All these are cool looking, so.
They are.
All right.
All right.
This feels like a face.
Ooh.
Whoa.
That one looks like the Ratty Bear.
The Ratty Bear.
There you go.
It's got a nice little purpley lavender haze to it. Cool.
All right. Let's see. I wonder if this one. I don't know. We'll just see which one we get. All of them look really cool though.
Oh yeah.
Try and make sure I don't look in the box. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Oh, cool.
This one's pretty. This one is gonna be the moldy muffin. Yeah. This one's really pretty too. There's that. It's like this nice pink color.
Pink and red, yeah.
Pink and red color.
It's nice.
All right, your turn, Chris.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
Cool.
All right.
Opposite side. There's like a face over here. Let's go.
Let's go. Ooh. What is is this one?
Oh, it's
Oh,
cool.
this one's.
Get the purple ones. It's like a dark.
I think that one is Cerebus.
Oh, I'm shaking. Cerebrus. Boom.
That's pretty.
Nice color.
I like the color, and look at the detail. There's just like
oh, they got little like metal ball things.
Yeah, and jewels on the
jewels.
bottom.
Cool.
It's pretty cool. All right, take a look here. All right, let's see.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right.
Wait, is that the secret or no?
That is no. Just kidding.
Man.
No. Wait.
What is this? Is this
That's
Chomp?
Chomp.
Oh, I thought it was a
Oh,
secret.
I thought it was a secret. But it looks almost like the secret.
Almost. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Because the secret has something attached to it too.
Yeah.
So
oh
that's
my gosh.
oh man, I thought it was a secret.
It's okay.
Still cool though.
It's so cool.
Close.
We were so close.
Close.
Yeah, I was like. It's okay.
It's okay. False alarm.
False alarm.
False alarm.
It's so cute, but that's what's on the cover actually. Chomp.
Yes, that's what's on the top.
So, all right, your turn.
Let's go.
Right. Let's do it.
Sound good.
Somebody says it. There you go. Well, all of them are gonna be good. But... Ooh, that one's pretty too. That one.
This is cool.
That is cool.
Nice shade of black. This
that
one
is pretty.
is.
That is the darkness. Oh, fitting name. Fitting name.
Fitting name. That's a little moon on its head too. That's cool.
It's like Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon vibes.
True.
Anyone?
Sailor Moon vibes.
From back in the day?
Yeah.
Back in the olden days? Alright. They revived, they did revive Sailor Moon at some point.
Oh, crystal?
Yeah, the crystal. Yeah, alright. Alright. Come on. Alright. What is this one? Ooh, this one's pretty too. This one's got like some stars in the center of
Ooh,
its head.
Sandman.
Sandman, okay. Alright. That's pretty. Alright. So we got two more.
Okay.
I got two more. Let's see. Do you choose one? You want to choose one?
I'll go bottom.
Okay. Alright. Sandman, okay. Let's see.
Cool. Again, the coloring on these are very awesome. So, yeah.
Yes. So I think there's Pranky Peanut, Sneaky Chestnut, and then Secret.
Let's go.
Right. Possibilities. Ooh.
There we go. This is the
Yeah.
Sneaky Chestnut.
Ooh, that one's cute.
Cool.
That one's
The last one is either a peanut or the secret. Let's go.
All right. Secret. Come on. Oh, it's the peanut.
The peanuts.
Oh, this is cute though. Look, it feels so soft. Feel it.
Oh,
It's soft.
oh wow.
That's-
Oh, that's a nice texture. It's a peanut. For those who don't have peanut allergies, have this.
That is cute. That is cute. All right. Well, no secret this time around.
But still cool.
Yeah, no, this is pretty cool actually. This is a really cool series. Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, as great as getting a secret would be, we would have to like just start searching for.
So much, and these
Like-
are
Yeah, we would have to search for like actually getting. That's what we're doing right now with the Winter Symphony one. Is like trying to buy the individual boxes to just see if we can even get
Snow. I think we're missing
I
that
think we're
last
missing
one,
that
yeah.
one. But I think I might get to a point of just buying just Snow without needing the blind box, and then
That's true. Yeah.
I mean,
then you can also pull another secret.
yeah.
We'll see.
There we go. All right. Well, thanks for coming along, guys. We appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, we will see you next time.